Hi, my name is Pharah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In another episode of Do-It-Yourself Cosmetics today, I want to show you how to make homemade beeswax coconut oil lotion bars with a bit of jojoba oil. You only need 3 ingredients, and once you're finished, they look like this. It's really nice, and you can just use them like a body lotion on your skin like this, and they are really hydrating and smell so good. So for the beeswax lotion bars, we need 2 pots, 1 spoon to stir, and these little mini cupcake forms. We need a cooking plate, and we need these jojoba oil, 100 milliliters. We need this coconut oil, 100 grams, and little beeswax pastilles, also 100 grams. So first of all, we need to heat the water in the bigger pot. Then we put the smaller pot into the bigger pot. And then we will add the beeswax pastilles into the smaller pot and wait until they melt and become completely liquid. It takes about 10 to 20 minutes until the beeswax has reached this consistency. And am I the only one who's reminded of liquid gold? It really smells like honey. So delicious. So as next step, we will add the coconut oil and melt it as well. Just add it. And then we start melting it and mixing it. So once the coconut oil has merged with the beeswax, it looks like before again, basically. And now that they've become one, we can just add the jojoba oil. And we need 100 milliliters, so that means we need the whole bottle of the jojoba oil. And once it comes into the water, it looks like this, and we need to wait until it is melted as well. So like little flakes like. Once the jojoba oil is fully melted together with the coconut oil and the beeswax, we can start filling this liquid mass into the forms. And we really have to be careful. So this is how the coconut oil jojoba lotion bars look like once they're finished and not liquid anymore. So once we're done with the lotion bars, we can just put them outside the cupcake form, and they have this really nice form. I store them actually inside the cupcake form, and you don't want to have it everywhere on your furniture or where you store it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos.